Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace cabin air filter Kia Forte, updated. First, open the glove box and remove stops to lower it fully, then unclip the dampener arm. Next, locate the filter housing cover and undo the retaining clips. Pull the old filter straight out to avoid stirring dust, note its airflow direction, insert the new filter with correct orientation, resecure the cover, reopen the glove box, and test cabin airflow. Now I will explain the exact steps to remove the old cabin air filter. Start by emptying the glove box and releasing its stops so it drops down fully, then detach the dampener arm carefully. Locate the rectangular filter housing and undo the clips or screws holding the cover. Slide the cover off and pull the filter straight out, keeping it level to avoid scattering trapped dust and debris inside the compartment. Quick recommendation and ad break. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future how-to videos. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless, and it pairs with your smart home routines. Check the description for the product link and other deals, pick one up if you like, and now let's get back to the video. Next, I will explain how to install the replacement cabin air filter with confidence. Inspect the new filter and confirm the airflow arrow points into the cabin. Damaged filters should not be used. Align the filter in the housing and slide it in gently until it sits flat, then replace the housing cover and secure all clips or screws. Reconnect the glove box dampener, lift the glove box back into position, and test the blower for proper airflow and noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.